Hi friends, this is exercise 6.5, question number 18. So the question is a rectangular sheet 45 centimeter, 24 centimeter. So this is your rectangular sheet. You can take rectangular sheet. Okay, 45 is the length of the rectangular sheet and 24 is the breadth of the sheet. Okay. Now is to be made into a box. So we want to make this is as a box. Okay. So how to make a box? By cutting. So we have to cut the corner. We have to cut the corner and we have to take all the four corners we have to cut and take it out. That side is X. Okay, by cutting the square from each corner, folding up the flaps. Okay, so it is a square. The side of the square, let the side of the square is X, is cut off, so that the volume of the box is maximum. How to find volume of the box? Volume of cuboid is L into B into H. What is your L? L is your 45 minus 2x. So 45 minus 2x, this is your length. Then what is your breadth? When you talk about the breadth, 24 minus 2x, this is your breadth, this side. And what is your height? Height is nothing but x. So we can come to that. The length is 45 minus 2x, this is your length. Okay, and breadth 24 minus 2x, this is your breadth, and height is x. Now this is your f of x. We want to find the x where the volume should be maximum, box volume should be maximum. Now you can multiply inside and now we are going to do what? Derivative. Before doing derivative, just you can multiply. Okay, now 45 into 24, just you multiply that. You can take 24 minus 2x, so you can take 2 common. When you take 2 common, this is 45 minus 2x, and after taking 2 common, this is 12 minus x into x. This is your f of x. So now you have to derivative. Before derivative, you can make it a single or you can use a product rule. So either you can use product rule to derivative or make into single polynomial. Instead of factor, make it a polynomial. So 45 into 12, how much? Okay, multiply 45 into 12. 2 5 are 10, excess 1, 8, 13, 14, excess 1, and 540. 540 minus, now you have to find how many x are there. Number of x you have to find. How to find number of x? 45 into this minus 45 and 24. So minus 45, 24. So minus both of minus 45, 24. So 69 x. Now x square minus 2x minus x become plus 2x square into x. Now multiply the x inside that, you can find that and reorder. 2x square into x, 2x cube minus 69 x square plus 540x. This is your f of x. Now derivative f dash of x. How much? When you derivative 3 2s are 6 x square minus 7 2 into 69. 70 minus 1 140 minus 2. So 140 minus 2, 138. X power will reduce, and 540 derivative of x. To find the critical point, so put f dash of x equal to 0. At the critical point only we are going to get maximum or minimum. So when you put that, you take a 6 is common, you take 6 common, so 6 2s are 12. If you take 6 common, x square minus how many 6 in there? 1 6 are 2 6 are 12, 18, 3 6 are 18, plus take 6 common, 9 6 are 54, so 90, which is equal to 0. Now product of two number is 90, we have to find 23 by sum. So 90 can be written as 9 into 10 or 3 into 30, okay, 18 into 5, 18 5s are 18 into 5 is 90, and 23 we want, so minus 18 minus 23 we got. So if you factorize and find the values, no, 12 into x minus 18, you can write x minus 5 equal to 0. So what are the critical point? X equal to 5 is one critical point, and x equal to 18 is the critical point. So see the question, what should be the side of the square x? So we have x 12. So but we want any one value, either at 5 or 18. So is to be cut off so that the volume of the box is maximum. We want maximum value. So by substituting x equal to 5 in f of x, then you can substitute x equal to 18 in f of x and find which is the maximum value. That is the x you can tell. That is one method. Another method, you can find a second order derivative test. What is second order derivative test? You can derivative second order derivative. So you can derivative from here. Okay, you can derivative from this you can derivative f dash of x. Now 12 will be common. When you derivative x square become 2x, derivative 23x minus 23. So this is second order derivative. In that second order derivative, you can substitute x equal to 5. So now f double dash of 5, that is 12 into 2 5s are 10 minus 23. So this is negative. Negative means at x equal to 5 we got maximum volume. Okay. What about f double dash of 18? At 18, 12 into 2 into 18, 36 minus 23 is positive. So in that point, we will get at x equal to 18 we will get minimum. So at x equal to 18, minimum volume will get. At x equal to, so what's your answer? X equal to 5 is the answer. So at x equal to 5, maximum volume will get. So the answer is x equal to 5 centimeter. So all the corner you have to take out, 5 centimeter. If so, that volume of the cuboid should be maximum. Understand, dear students? And they are not asking you to find what is the maximum volume. They will ask you to find what should be the side of the square. That's all. So x equal to 5. So let 5 be the side of the square. If you cut off, the maximum volume you can get. Understand, dear students?